Here, it's tracking you. Do that again. It likes me better than you. Again today. We have a very scenic drive on Route 90. We'll be going from Wyoming into Montana today.
We're on our way to Glacier National, about 700 miles. We're going to split it up over 3 days worth of driving. Tonight we're heading to Canyon Creek Brewery for a harvest host stay. Hopefully the beers are tasty.
Montana.
Hello.
We made it to Billings, Montana, and we're doing another harvest host night, this time at Canyon Creek Brewery. There's actually 3 other RVs here right now.
There's ours.
Yeah, and there's
one there.
Fifth wheel, a Class A,
Another
and
one
a
over
Super
there.
C. We got
And
one
a
of
Super
each
C over
tonight.
here.
This is awful.
Yeah.
It is a cash-only place. That's a fire pit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
It's a nice little area. I like it.
Yeah.
A little beer garden.
Yeah. Oh, and there were lots of dogs here earlier when I came in.
Good tunes.
What a pretty boy. What a pretty boy. What's your name?
This is Henry.
Henry. Oh, that's his grandson's name. How cute. Oh my gosh.
Go say hi. Go say hi.
Hi. Oh, I love your do. Your hairdo. Keep that hair out of your eyes. So cute. Oh, this is a cool place. Cool place. Oh my gosh, look at the dogs in here. Is the wiener dog still here?
Hello from inside Canyon Creek.
So there's 20 beverages listed up there. Unfortunately, they didn't offer any flight tasting. So we had to stand up there, and she gave us like an ounce of, like 8 of them, and they all were great.
Yeah. We felt bad asking for more tasting, so we actually got 2 that we didn't taste. We got a pint of each, and hopefully they're good. But everything was so good, I can't see it not being.
And it was reasonable. What was it? It was $6 a pint.
Yeah, 6 a pint. Good deal. We met the brewer.
Yeah, his name was Ron. He gave me a sticker. Look at the doggies! Oh my gosh! He's so happy, happy, happy. I'm taking a picture. We stayed at an outstanding harvest host last night. It was Canyon Creek Brewing in Billings, Montana. The brews were outstanding. The brewer owner, Rod, was there. We met him. There were so many choices. Every one of them was a great brew. Definitely a stop we'd recommend highly. The parking area was a huge lot, very easy to turn around. We met some fellow RVers, Mark and Helen. They were from North Carolina, and we had a very enjoyable time.
Yeah, and they're actually heading to Glacier also.
Yeah, maybe we'll run into them down the road. Never know. You know, you make fast friends on the road.
We have 250 miles to drive today. We are going to Garrison, Montana on our way to Glacier. We're staying at Bernie and Sharon's Riverfront RV Park. It's a little mom and support local businesses on our trip. $5,700 feet.
I've taken over for the last 100 miles and did not realize the kind of mountain climbing we'd be doing. We're at 6,237 feet right now. Whew.
And we've been climbing probably for the last 2 miles.
Longer than that, I think. Wow, that was a trip.
Yep.
Amazing scenery too.
May hit 63, we're getting that.
It's starting to drop now.
6289. And now we're gonna go down.
I think we're crossing the Continental Divide. I had no idea. Oh, here it is. Here's the marker. Continental Divide. Elevation
6393.
6393. Well, there's always something. We put the step out and can't get it back out now. Charlie's underneath it. He sees there's a bracket that either came loose or got sheared in half and trying to free it. Otherwise, it's a long way down out of the coach. Well, he got it to release, but I guess it'll be a while till we can use the step again. This is our third straight day of driving. Beautiful Montana. And our destination today is Kalispell, Montana.
Well, we'll be spending 3 nights and we'll be sightseeing at Glacier National Park, and I'm looking forward to it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
From our campground in Kalispell, the entrance to Glacier National Park was just 40 minutes away.
Where's your license?
Here are just a few highlights of the magnificent scenery we'll be sharing with you in our next video.
When we drive, going to the Sun Road and hike in Glacier National Park.
Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.